Good morning, students. We are now in lesson 13 of Foundation of Shorthand. For this lesson, you will learn word beginnings con and com, the second symbol for the sound of th, and word beginning re. Now, for the words beginning con, we use the K symbol. For example, control, control, contrkt, contract. CONTRKTS, contracts. CONDUKT, conduct. CONSEDR, consider. CONSEDRation, consideration. CONSERN, concerned. And then CONFERENS, conference. And conversation, conversation. Okay. Next, for the words beginning com, we also use the K symbol. Okay, so we have com, PLAN, complain, com, PLET, complete, com, PLETly, completely, com, PLEtion, completion. PAR, compare. PARing, comparing. And then PIL, compile. And then BIN, combine. And BINS, combines. Okay. Now, when N or M is double, in con or com words, these word beginnings are represented by KN and KM. So for example, connect. We have con N EKT, connect. Con NEK Sean, connection. Com METE, committee. Com MERS, commerce. AKMODAT, accommodate. And AKM audition, accommodation. Okay. Now, the under if words. Okay, so in the previous lesson, you have learned of the over if. The symbol for over if is this. Okay. Now, for the under if, we have its opposite. Okay, so why do we have two symbols for if? Just like we have two symbols in S, so that the outlines or symbols can connect continuously. Okay, for example, though. Is o though. Is ot, thought. Is os, those. And then we have HEL if, health. HEL if e, healthy. And then KLO if s, clothes. KLO if ing, clothing. SERO, thorough. BO if both. GRO if growth. And then if, okay, let me repeat. L if wealth. Okay. Next is the word beginning re, as in reject, is represented by the R symbol. So example, Katie, reject. Re, PLAS, replace. Re, PLI, reply. Re, PLIS, replies. Re, PAR, repair. Re, SERCH, research. Re, SEV, receive. Re, SEVD, receive. Re, FER, refer. Re, FERing, referring. Re, FERENS, reference. And re, SN, reason. Okay. So before a forward or upward stroke, re is written as RE. For example, relate. We have RELAT, relate. Then remain, REMAN, remain. And then retire, RETIR, retire. Okay. So that's it for lesson 13. So again, you have learned words beginning re is represented by the R, R symbol. Then we have the under if. It is the opposite of the over if. Then we have the symbol for the com and con sounds. That's the end of lesson 13. See you in the next lesson.